Hello guys, welcome back to your own channel. I hope you are well guys. In this video today I will show you that how we can install also iOS 15 widgets and also guys version in this device. So simply guys I have to click on here. You can see guys it will automatically add a widgets here. You can see guys here is showing, and now I will press the home button. So today I will show you that if you want to install iOS 14 and like iOS 15 in your iPhone, especially iPhone 5s, 6 Plus, then how you can do this. So I hope guys you will like this video. So first of all guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also guys hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. So guys you can see this is my iPhone 6 and let me show you guys this is the only iPhone 6 and which is currently running on iOS 12.5.5. So let me show you can see guys. This is the software version is 12.5.5 and a model name is iPhone 6. So today I will show you that how we can install iOS 14 like iOS 15 also in your iPhone. Let's start how I can do this and how you can do this. So guys you have to watch this video carefully and also guys you have to watch this video till the end. Then guys you have to easily you can easily get this type of settings in your iPhone. Also guys you can update iPhone 6 into iOS 14 and also guys as well as iOS 15. So let me show you guys, and now I will show you that how I do this. Okay, so first of all guys you need to just go to your Cydia application. Now guys if you don't know that how we can install Cydia guys, basically first of all you need to just jailbreak your iPhone, and you can see guys I have jailbreak my iPhone with that Chakran. So right now guys if you want to jailbreak your iPhone without laptop and PC with the helping of Anchor application, then guys I have also made a video, but guys in the description box you will get a video link that how we can jailbreak iPhone with the helping of PC and laptop method. So guys link in the description below, go and watch that video and easily guys jailbreak your iPhone. You can see guys, and I have jailbreak my iPhone with the helping of Chakran. So simply guys you have to just go to your Cydia application, and after jailbreaking guys you will get automatically installed Cydia in your iPhone. You don't need to install from other side. First of all guys link in the description below, go and watch that video in which I have told you with the PC method. But guys if you want to jailbreak iPhone without any laptop and PC, I will upload a video on this channel. So guys make sure you subscribe this channel on your subscriptions guys. So first of all guys ignore this, and now you have to just click on search bar, and now you have to click on search. Here is showing guys this type of setting. So first of all guys you need to before going to search bar you need to just go to your source. You can see here is showing source tab and click on edit and click on add button. You need to just guys add a source that name is, you can see default on the, you can see I will show you that how you can add the source from your iPhone. You need to go to your Safari browser. Now guys you have to just cut this page, and now you have to type here DG host. So first of all guys you can see let me type this repo DG host repo. Simply guys you have to click on first one link, and now guys let me show you fully process. So you can see guys this is the first link that is here, first one. Click on first one link, and now guys wait. So you can see guys add DG host. Simply guys click on here, and now guys it will show automatically here Cydia. Just wait guys, and you can see guys here is showing Cydia. Click on Cydia, click on open, then you need to just click on install button, and then guys let me show you guys fully process. So you can see guys here is showing reload because I have already installed this. So simply guys first of all you have to install, and now guys go to back. After installing this you have to just click on search bar HS widgets. So you can see guys this is a tweak name that is HS widgets. So first of all guys you have to click on, and now guys click on modify and install this. After installing this guys you have to just go to back on your home screen, and then guys after installing this tweak to your iPhone, whenever you will press and hold down on any application like this one, after you can see guys here is showing automatically blank space has available. Simply tap on of anyone. Now you can see guys here is showing like all type of widgets has available. For example guys if I want to like wither widgets, so simply guys I have to click on here. You can see guys it will automatically add a widgets here. You can see guys here is showing, and now I will press the home button. You can see guys now this is the way guys you can install iOS 14. Look like that. You can see here is showing like iOS 14. You can totally guys change into the iOS 14, but guys remember this is only iPhone 6 only. This is a method guys, link in the description below, go and watch that video and install Cydia, then guys you can apply this. But guys if you are facing any problem related to your iPhone, then guys you can ask me in the comment box. I will definitely reply you, and also I will upload your favorite videos on this channel. So guys subscribe this channel. Guys see you in the next video guys.